Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Motorola G75, and in this video I am going to show you how to change screen recording sound settings on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to swipe from the top to the bottom like this, and now right here we have to find screen recorder. As you can see, it's right here, so now we have to click on this icon on the right side of the screen recorder button. Now here we have record audio option, where we can choose if we want to record microphone, system sound, mic and system sound, or just mute audio. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!